All right, we are back and it's time to put that Regal touch in your kitchen as you get ready for the holidays. Chef Cheryl-Ann SHORTT-CHARLES is here with that Regal touch. And Chef Cheryl last week, guys, made pastels with the Mamacita Cornflour. It's perfect for pastels, along with some other things apparently.
Along with some other things, because you know, we always have cornmeal on the shelf.
Yeah.
But around this time, you're always bombarded with it. And sometimes you may want something different outside of the pastels and that kind of stuff. So now this is not my recipe. Yeah?
It's not mine. Who's it?
So I adapted it from, it's a southern porridge that they make with cornmeal called cornmeal mush. Right? Normally they will fry it, but you can have it just like that. And it's quick, easy, belly filling, because if you're going on a whole day of shopping, you can make this. Nobody's going to worry you during the day while you're shopping that they're hungry.
Yeah. It's like a porridge.
It's like a porridge.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But besides eating it like a porridge in the morning, you could also eat it as a side to anything. So if you have a little ham in the afternoon with a little sorrel sauce on top of it, you could have it like that as well.
Oh, okay.
Right? Okay. So we're going to use the Mamacita, which I like because it's very fine. And it dissolves quickly. So we're using a cup of that. I have 3 cups of water already boiling on the stove.
So it's a cup to 3 cups?
A cup, right? So a cup of Mamacita. Then we have about a half a teaspoon of salt. Right?
That's
and
exactly a half a teaspoon.
Exactly a half a teaspoon. I guarantee you.
two chef pinches.
And a cup of milk.
Cup of milk.
Right? Now this is just to incorporate the cornmeal before you add it into the boiling water. Right? And then we put it into the boiling water. Now what you want to remember is that you want to continue to stir it because we don't want it to lump up. Right? In there. And you stir it on a low fire. Maybe take about, depends on the quantity that you're making. If you're making a large quantity, it will take about 15 to 20 minutes. If not, it may take about 10 minutes. But as I said again, the Mamacita is so fine that it's already melted in the milk. So when you put it on the stove, you see it's already coming in, right, and thickening up.
So Morella does something that she calls a cornmeal pop. I think it's
maybe very similar.
Yeah.
Because remember, we adapt a lot of stuff, right? A lot of our stuff, even though, you know, come from far away, come from slavery days, where they used to have a lot of corn, they will grind it, and it's something belly filling because as you see, it was just simply salt, the cornmeal, water, and milk, right? So
and that will kind of thicken up as you stir.
As you stir, it will thicken up. So I already have some that's made here ready, and you see?
Right, so it gets mushy.
So we're going to spoon some here for you. Now it is served with maple syrup. On top of it, along with some heavy cream.
This gets serious.
Even better.
Okay.
So you can pour some
heavy
cream on top of there.
Chef, you sure?
I'm very sure. And some syrup. And have a try.
Cool. Whoa.
Mix
so
it
I
all
can
in.
Mix it. I can
yes,
mix it in.
you can mix it in.
Lord Father, this looks like when you have this.
That's what I'm telling you. It's a belly full, as you said. Morella makes a belly full. This is called cornmeal mush. Now, if you want to fry it, because you can fry it, you take the same mixture, lay it in a dish, put it in the fridge overnight so that it sets. Then you cut it into pieces and you fry it. And you can have it almost the same way, like you're having it here hot.
So I like the sweetness that combines with the corn, almost a type of savory corn.
Exactly, because if you remember, we didn't put any sugar into it, which is the salt milk. So the sweetness comes from the maple syrup. And the cream gives it an added creaminess to it. Now, if you like your condensed milk, I'm very sure condensed milk will work fine on it.
Ooh, that would be that'll be a little too sweet for me.
But if you put any condensed milk, because a lot of people like the condensed milk and they may find it's a little too savory.
Wow,
Now, if
yeah.
you put any condensed milk, I will recommend you do not put the maple syrup.
That'll be double sweet.
It'll be double sweet.
That'll be double sweet. As I said, I can see it's very comforting.
Yes,
Nice,
it is.
You know, a nice comfort.
Stick to your ribs kind of thing.
It's sticking to my ribs as we speak.
Very good.
As we speak, my ribs
So
are
you
being
won't be
stuck to
eating anything else
for
for the rest of the show. That's what I like to hear.
Look how simple that was.
Very simple, very simple.
Basically, water.
Basically, water boiling on the
Boiling.
stove, 3 cups, your 1 cup of milk, and it's very easy. 3 cups of water to 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cornmeal, half a teaspoon of salt, and that's it.
Can I go crazy? Because you know something I like to go
Yeah,
a
you
little
could
crazy.
spruce it up. You could add some cinnamon, some
Cinnamon,
nutmeg,
yeah,
make it a little, jazz it up a little.
You can go that way.
You could go that way.
Season it up.
Because again, the ingredients in it is so simple,
Yeah.
you can add anything else you want. I'm sure you could add even fruits if you want.
Right.
Because, oh, you know what will go good with it? Remember around Christmas time too, you have those fruits soaking for your black cake. Take some of it and put it on top of it. Carry it to another level. You never know.
If you do that, don't put the maple syrup.
Don't put the maple
The
syrup.
maple syrup is giving this its edge.
Exactly.
Because it's nice and plain, so it has
Exactly.
that nice little thing to bounce
Exactly.
off of. But you can flavor this up however
You can
you wish.
flavor it up however you like.
It's really comforting. It's
Yes.
nice. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
That Regal touch, guys, and it's all brought to you by Mamacita. Mamacita Cornflour, perfect for pastels, distributed by Regal Products. If you're not making pastels with it, as I said, we've kind of showed you a whole range of things you can use. When you have all the cornmeal and cornflour in the house, don't let it waste.
Exactly.
Yeah, Mamacita Cornflour. When we come back, my brother from another mother, Raymond Ramnarine, is here with us, and I'm rolling out a recipe. I have one thing to eat, Chef. I'm making Morella's famous brownies on the show.
Ooh, with ice cream.
With, oh my gosh. We coming right back. Cup of Joe, Fun Food Friends, right here.